Freedom's calling, chains are falling. Day is done, hope is dawning bright and true. Day is breaking, night is quaking. God is making all things new. Jesus saves, yes he does. He saves to the uttermost. Hear the heart of heaven beating. Jesus says, and the hush of mercy breathing. Jesus says, hear the host of angels sing, glory to the newborn King, and the sound in joy repeating. Jesus saves. Do do do. The humblest hearts adore him. Jesus says, and the wisest bow before him. Jesus says, see the sky alive with praise, melting darkness he displays. There is light forevermore, and Jesus saves. Oh, yes, he does. Yes, he does. Yes, he will lead. Oh, Jesus says, he has died, our burden bearing. He bore on the cross. Jesus says, it is done. We'll shine across. Christ has paid redemption scars, while the empty tombs declaring. Jesus said, oh, while the empty tombs declaring. Jesus says, oh yes, oh to grace our greater debtor. Jesus says, all the saints who shout together. I know that Jesus saves, rising up so vast and strong, lifting up salvation's song. The redeemed will sing forever. The redeemed will sing forever. I say the redeemed will sing forever. We will sing the redeemed. Are you gonna sing? The redeemed will sing for. Let the redeemed of the Lord say so. Say, let the redeemed of the Lord say so. The redeemed of the Lord, we will sing forever and ever and ever and ever, and we will sing forever and ever and ever. Yes, oh, with the redeemed, we will sing forever. We will sing, hey, we will sing. Oh yes, we will sing. Will you sing? And that